Hello there, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. Today, we're gonna film a video on this little website called sandspiel.com. If you can see here, it says, you can see here, it says sandspiel over here. But yeah, and then, so we're gonna experience this app and I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to make a rainbow. So there's like really cool features here, so you can do like this and then add plant and then look how it's like oddly satisfying. So if you want to try, I will put the link of this website in the description below. So have fun with that. Let me just erase this. You just reset and I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a rainbow. Not this rainbow. No. We're gonna do like a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple rainbow. So first, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add seed. I usually make a flower if I have sand, but I don't have. But I'm not gonna add sand today because we're gonna do a rainbow. We might do indigo. Okay, never mind. Okay, and then we're gonna do ice, cause water we're gonna add plant later, so we're gonna add ice, cause it makes a pretty blue texture. After that, I'm gonna add green, so red, orange, yellow, green, yellow. After that, you're just gonna add sand, like yellow, so it's pretty cool. I really like playing around with this, so you can experiment how it explodes and screenshot it and send it to your friends. Make it a virtual background for your online lesson Zooms. Whatever you want. Do whatever you want. And then after that, you can add some lava. Oops. Lava. So make sure to add like a little wall, a small layer of this called wall, like this, or else it won't. Or else the rocket thing, which makes the color red, won't work. So if I just like do it randomly, and it will just explode. So that's why I would add a little layer of wall, like a little wall thing for it so that it won't burst and explode. Or else you have to do it all over again. Or you can just undo it. But I would rather just do that. So this is my tutorial. This is a really short video. I don't know why. But make sure to subscribe to my gaming channel and this main channel because I will post real life videos here, and my gaming channel I will post more gaming videos. If you're more of like a gaming person, you can just screenshot this if you want, but I won't. Here's some other things I did. This thing is pretty cool. I will show you this maybe next time. It's pretty cool. I really like it a lot. So if you want a tutorial on this, please comment down below if you can, because I think restriction mode is on. I don't know. But make sure to like this video if you want to see more tutorials like this. And thanks for watching. Peace.